Okay, class, I'm going to show you how to do a self-assessment after a big project here. Um, so this is a sample rubric for a sample project. Your individual rubric might look different, but stay with the annotation, the student annotation. Um, I'm going to click full screen here for it. Okay, and looks there. And I'm going to choose highlighter, marker, and choose green and go down and grade myself. So you worked on this project for several class periods and go down and give yourself an honest grade here. Um, okay, we're going to go with about accomplished on the news value. Let's say my production was kind of matches the 8 here. Multiple minor issues. I didn't have enough B-roll. My B-roll was kind of limited. I might have done some panning and zooming. My sound was a little bad here. So let's just say I'm going to give myself a 7 on that. Editing, um, it's got split here right in the middle in a weird place. But let's just say I did a lot better on the editing. I'm going to go with about a 9. Uh, Stay with the accomplished there. And I did turn in my screenshot for Premiere for the timeline. I know that's in there, so I'm going to give myself 10 points. If you're grading yourself, you don't have that there, and you realize that while you're grading yourself, go back and turn in your timeline and get your points. Okay, so I add that up, 10, 19, 19, 26, and 26 plus 9, 37, right? 35. Okay, so I'm going to write over here 35 points near the total. And there's 3 questions that you should have on there, and you're going to type in answers to them. I like puppies. They make real warm and fuzzy. Okay, so answer your 3 questions there using the text. And then let's go down and hit submit. Yay! Now you get a formative grade for doing your self-assessment. See, these were the 3 questions that were in there. Your questions might be different. Um, and then you'll have a good idea of how you did. You're going to do some peer reviews. You're going to see what other students turned in, and when we'll go up and discuss your grade, or you'll grade with me, and we'll kind of look at what you thought of your work. I'll tell you what I thought, and we'll figure out a fair grade for you to put in IC. And that's how self-assessments are going to work in my class. Thanks a lot.